What if I told you you can actually see inside your own eye, not with a microscope, not with surgery, but right now using just a flashlight and a simple trick? And the craziest part? Your brain is hiding this from you all the time. Inside your eye, there's a layer filled with tiny blood vessels, basically veins spread across your retina. But here's the weird thing, you never see them, even though they are literally sitting in front of your vision all the time. So why don't you notice them? This happens because of something called neural adaptation. Your brain is constantly filtering out things that don't change, like shadows from your own blood vessels. Over time, your brain decides, hey, this is always here, so it's not important. So it just removes it from your vision. It's similar to how you stop feeling your clothes after wearing them for a while. Now here's where it gets interesting. You can actually see this hidden layer yourself. Try this experiment. Go into a dark room, turn on your phone flashlight, close one eye, hold the light to the side of your open eye, and gently move it while blinking. What you might start to see are shadowy branching patterns, almost like tree branches. That's not your imagination. You're actually seeing the blood vessels inside your own eye. This effect is known as the Purkinje Tree. Normally, light enters your eye straight on, so the shadows of your blood vessels stay in the same place. Your brain ignores them. But when you shine light from the side, the shadows shift position, and suddenly, your brain notices them again. So technically, you've always had this entire network of veins visible in your vision. Your brain just chooses to hide it from you, which makes you wonder, what else is your brain filtering out right now? Try this experiment yourself and tell me what you see. And if you like these kinds of mind-blowing science facts, hit subscribe because reality is way weirder than it looks.